These are the elevators at the historic Benham Tree building in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Go to 18. These are vintage 1960s Westinghouse elevators with the Type A buttons. Rubber band door operator. Oh, whoa, here we go. I can hear someone. But I think they may be going down, so we're not going to call. These are Westinghouse Selectomatic. These are amazing elevators. I don't know what these were before Westinghouse Selectomatic, unfortunately, but whatever. These are now Selectomatic. Lights buzzing this elevator. My ears are popping. This building is right next to the investment building, so you can make a stop here if you're also going to the investment building. Here we're at 18. Ooh, bell, nice. Go back down to 1. Lovely. Cabinets locked. Oh. ADA phone, very hard to open that box. Very nice cab. Look at that thing, metal thing in the back. I actually got a picture of that from the doors open in Pittsburgh time I was here, but I couldn't get to ride the elevators then, unfortunately. But I really like this cab, very nice. I always like these buttons. I've seen these buttons a lot lately, so I'm getting a bit tired of them. These are very slow for this tall of a building. Yeah, cabinet is locked. There's that. Benham Trees building. That's who owns it, or manages it actually. I don't know who owns it. I like that indicator. Actually, I like this whole elevator. Sorry, I can't see the indicator that well. Here at 1.